Can I master CSS Grid in only 20 minutes? Let's see if I can do it. If this is the same creators that made the frog game for CSS vlog is crazy. Frog game for CSS Flex, but I'm going to be using this game. I'm pretty sure it is because it looks very similar. This is called the Grid Garden. This is going to teach me grid. And listen, that frog game really taught me flex. I knew nothing about flex until I played that frog game. So let's go and play this game. I have about 20 minutes to learn this on the clock. Let's see if I can end up learning display grid. Carrot garden, water only the areas that have carrots, but okay, so I'm moving the water. Vertical grid, which is another way of saying the third vertical. Okay, so I never knew this. I honestly think I prefer flex. This looks already too much at this point. Why are we typing so many things in one thing? Okay, so now we got that in the water. So let's see. This is in the fourth one. Wait, what is this? What the hell is this? We're getting the weeds out or something? And I'm stupid. They have it up there, and I was just sitting here like trying to figure things out. Flex. Okay. I mean, flex is crazy. Grid column. Start. 5. The grid item by default will span exactly one column. However, you can extend the item across multiple columns by adding the grid column end property. So use the grid column end, water all of the carrots while avoiding the dirt. We don't want to waste any water. Note that the carrots start at the first vertical grid line and end at the fourth. Oh shoot. So we're either doing 1. Okay, we're not. We're doing 4. Oh, I extended the water. I thought I was moving the carrots. Oh yeah, I've been moving the water. Why am I being crazy right now? We've been moving the water. Comparing grid column start and grid column end, you might assume that the end value has to be greater than the start value, but this turns out not to be true. Try setting grid value at column end to a value less than 5 to water your carrots. Okay, so good. Wait, so I can do any value less than 5? Like, what are we saying? Like I have freedom here, or is there a specific number? I'm just gonna go 4. 4 doesn't work. We're gonna go with 2. Oof. 3. But then 1. I think they literally want me to do like less than 5. I know. An innocent mistake that wasted so much. Okay, we don't gotta do all that. I'm like, that's literally not working. Okay, never mind. I'm such an idiot. I'm gonna come and negative values. For example, you can set it to -1 to specify the first grid line from the right. So try grid column end. Please, right end. Grid column -1. See what that does. Oh my goodness, that gets the whole thing. Damn. So then I'm probably going to, because I need to get all the carrots, probably do -2. Okay, that's crazy. Grid column start. I can spell. And then we're gonna go -3. Because that's where it's at. We're gonna start using our brain today. We'll grid span 3. Okay, so span 3. Oh, 2. My bad. Can't even count. Okay. I forgot what the hell we did. Span 5. Okay, that's pretty cool. But wouldn't I not need a span though? Like I could just do, like if I wanted to, I could do 6. Well, they're about to let me pass with 6 for some reason, even though they told me to use span to the end. Excuse me. Greater. Oh wait. I beat the game by being able to copy and paste that. The only thing is that I gotta remember to start messing with that. So I guess you can also get the width, the item's width, so it goes this way. Property, and I can accept both values at once, but separated by a slash. Oh my god, that's so goated, because I'm like, but I'm just not writing grid column start. For example, grid column 2 divided by 4 will set the grid item to start on the second vertical grid, time and end on the fourth one. Well, I need it over here. Grid column, and then we're doing, I think we need to go over, is it 5? I think it's 5 and then 2. 5 and 1. Why the fuck is we starting over there? 3, 4. Alright, 6. I'm goated. I'm gonna use span keyword. And we're going to go 3. We're going to go 5 slash 3. Okay, never mind. So I'm assuming the last one needs to reach up here. I think that's something I'm learning. Then we need to go 4, 3. Okay. So this one is probably going to be, the first one's going to be the number. This one's going to be how far you need to go. Row, start. And we got, oh yay, we get to go down. Oh, finally they taught me how to go down. That's great. Oh yeah, I'm stupid. What made me think we couldn't go down? 3 slash 6. I think I'm understanding to the T. Jump over 1. How am I doing? Hold up. I kind of get it. Like, I get it when I see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I take right. I don't know if that was right. There we go. Come on. Then we go red. I'm getting excited. This shows whether or not I really know. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it to the last level. I'm going to go like this. And we're going to go 6. Oh, wait. No. I know better. I'm going to go slash 6. I knew better, like I said. Nick told me. So it starts with grid row start, then grid column start, grid row end, grid column end. That's going to be a bit to remember, but this is even better, brother. We don't even got to write all that crap. We don't even got to write all that crap. So we're going to start with 4. How do I get this over? I feel like it's because this is 1, but if I make it 2, or something to do with this. That's what I'm saying. I can get everything. Oh, woo! I almost messed all that up in like 2 seconds. Whoa, how do you split like that though? Actually, no, I think I know exactly what to do. Yes, ma'am. Border property that I'm not going to be able to get to. So I don't know. Did I necessarily fail the challenge? I think I learned a lot. I do have about 10 more steps left, but I do have to start getting ready for work. I think I pretty much, I learned a bunch here. Okay, I learned a bunch. So will you call this a success or a failure? If you call this a failure, anybody, as one person comments that it's a failure, I will record myself doing the next steps. Deuces.